Hey everyone, it's Claudette with the Greeting Farm channel. I am back for my last video of the year. I'm really excited to share this project because it is really easy and a fast project. And I know I say that a lot, and I try to make my projects really easy and something where you can mass produce them at such a short time. Now, these are gift card holders, and I really love the simplicity of it because I don't always know if my recipients keeps what I make, and during the holiday season I just have so many projects and I want to make sure to have everything personalized, and I don't always succeed every year. In fact, I don't think I succeeded at all any years of making everything 100% personalized as far as the cards, gift tags, and whatnot. But this year I want to say I am really ahead of the game, and I wanted to help you guys out with yours. And so I'm going to show you how to make these really simple gift card holders. And so let's just get to it because I know everybody is trying to get their game on for this December. Fortunate for me, I started early. I am about 98% done with all my Christmas shopping. I will be wrapping gifts after this video. I just want my December to be completely free because I never get to enjoy December. I'm always on a rush to bake goods, cook, and then, you know, buy gifts. I'm always having the hardest time, and it doesn't help that we normally go on holidays either at the end of Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving until mid-December, and this year we're not. So I'm really bittersweet about it because I do miss traveling, but I've gotten everything done, so I really want to enjoy the Christmas season. So this project should help you do that because like I said, I'm pretty much done with my holiday shopping, and I will be decorating or getting my tree soon. So when you see this video, it will be on Monday the 27th. I should have my tree Sunday. It should have been sooner, but my Christmas tree stand broke. So we're waiting for Amazon to deliver it today. Anyways, okay. So what you'll need is an 8.5 by 3.5 cardstock of your choice. You could also use a good thickness of pattern paper if you want, and you don't want to go through the extra steps that I am going through, but I decided to use cardstock and some pattern paper. But you could probably get, I want to say, 3 of these on one 8.5 by 11, I believe. Wait, what's the size? 3.5, so 7. Yeah, I think you can. 7. Yeah, I think you can. So anyways, let's get to it. You're going to score along the 8.5 side at 2 and 6, and that's it, guys. That's all the scoring there is. And then I have some pattern paper that I will be adhering. So one goes on the top and then one goes on the bottom, and then I have already this oval cut, super cute bow paper, and then I have this adorable Anya. I believe she's Pumpkin Anya or Pumpkin Miss Anya, and she's a digital stamp, so she is available. You could get her ASAP if you're pressed for time or you want to get started on her. So that is really it to my project. All you do is go ahead and fold your score marks. The smaller one goes in, the larger one is out, and then this is where we put this and this on to complete your project. So really, that is it, folks. Let us start adhering our pattern paper onto our base. So let's go ahead. Am I in frame? Because I always seem to not be in frame. But yeah, how are you guys with your Christmas projects? Are you close to done, haven't started, or you started but you still have some ways to go? Let's see. Oh, actually, this is not correct. Sorry, so this one should be 2 1/4. This should be 2 1/4, I believe. Sorry about that. I think when I was measuring, that's exactly, yeah, I was measuring, I forgot about it being a mat on the cardstock. Okay, so let's see how that's gonna fit. Yep, perfect. Alrighty, so we're just gonna adhere this. Okay, and then you want to take, I'm going to use red line tape for this, only because I want it to really stick. Okay, so you just want to put it on the small flap, the 2-inch flap, because that is where we're going to house the gift card. Okay, that's it. All right, and then let's go ahead and adhere this cute bow paper. And I am just doing it okay, and then we're gonna adhere Miss Anya. And now you can put Velcro or magnet here if you want. I don't want. And I am going to pop her up with foam sheets. And once again, I always get asked this question. One side has adhesive on it and the other side does not. So I'm going to use glue to adhere it onto my project. Okay, I should have put that, oops, in the middle. Yep, okay. So now I'm gonna just take my glue and adhere her on like that. And there you go. How easy is that? So I don't have a gift card on hand. I'm just gonna take my Michaels one and just put it in here. And there you go. That's it. You could kind of burnish this one. Oh, of course. I just add a little more glue. I have to wait a bit, but. And what I love about the digital one is you could even make her smaller since she's a digital. And you know, if you feel that this is too big, I would make her smaller. I know I tell you guys this if you're a follower of the Greeting Farm and you've watched my videos, I really love digitals. You could just do so much with them. And there you go. That's it. Now, before I go, these two I've also made for one of my projects. I don't know, for a stamp feature. And the thing with this is it's super cute, but it is a little bit more time consuming because I do have to cut these through the silhouette. These are silhouette files. And while the silhouette does mostly all the work for you in terms of cutting, sometimes I just can't be bothered to turn on my computer and then turn on the silhouette and run it through. I just want to get a project done ASAP, especially like I said, since I want to just have a free December. So I'm gonna probably be making a bunch of these just to have on hand and probably for next year. But I really love the simplicity and how quick this project comes together. So I hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorials. I hope they were very helpful to you. Please tag us on Instagram so we can see how you if you used my tutorials. Hopefully you guys found my tutorials easy and helpful, and I can't wait to see if you guys use any of my tutorials. If you did, please tag us on our Instagram account, which is at The Grading Farm. I'd love to see it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Also, all the measurements and the score lines will be in the description box as well, so you don't have to pause and hear what I have to say as far as the measurements. All right, everyone, I hope everybody has a very safe and happy Christmas. I will see you guys in the next year. Thank you for always supporting the Grading Farm channel and watching our videos and liking all of our posts on our social media accounts. We really do appreciate everybody stopping by and sharing the love. Have a great one, and I hope your New Year's is a very wonderful and safe New Year. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.